السلام عليكم. هذه المقابلة تمت مع إبراهيم بوخارس من شبكة جوجل من قبل شبكة Envcasts الشرق الأوسط. إبراهيم بوخارس، عرف عن نفسك.
أهلا وسهلا، شكرا محمد، والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أنا اسمي إبراهيم بوخارس وأصلي من المغرب، ولكن ولدت في هولندا ودرست في هولندا من الابتدائي إلى الثانوي، وثم ذهبت إلى الجامعة لدراسة علم الحاسوب Computer Science and Engineering. وبعد درست الماجستير في أمريكا وأستراليا وهولندا، وبعد أن نهيت الماستر ذهبت إلى سويسرا لأشتغل مع جوجل. والآن عندي 3 سنوات خبرة مع جوجل، واشتغلت في جوجل مع جيميل وجوجل كالندر، والحمد لله على كله. والآن سأتكلم معكم في الإنجليزية، فمحمد هيا بنا.
أعلم اللغة العربية صعب عليك بعض الشيء. السؤال التالي: من خلال عملك في جوجل في قسم الهندسة العربي في سويسرا، نود في دقائق أن نستمع إلى نصائح توجهها للمطورين في الوطن العربي.
سؤال جيد. So I will speak in English. First of all, I think for all of us that are in this computer science or web development industry, we are in a very fortunate, lucky position, because I believe that with the development of the web, there has been an openness and a democracy created when it comes to access of technology. And that's what's really exciting me, and that's what I would like to make all of you aware of. You don't these days have to be a student of Harvard or Stanford or another American university, and you don't have to be an employee of Google or Microsoft in order to develop or create a new, important and inspiring product. Anyone around the world, whether you are in Cairo or in Mexico or in Palestine, as long as you have a laptop with an internet connection and the motivation, the creativity and the discipline, you can change the world. And that is what I think is the gift for anybody that is currently either studying computer science or working as a software engineer. So one of my recommendations is to use the openness of the internet to educate ourselves, to learn about the latest technologies via tutorials, via documentations, via other code examples that are shared via open source places like GitHub, and to grab these opportunities to practice and to express our creativity, because I really believe that the more we do online, the more we try, the more we practice, the more chances that we have to create the next big, inspiring and life-changing product, hopefully from the Middle East. If I could give more advice, is to always think and believe big. Me coming from a Moroccan background, with both of my parents having not even attended primary school, and me working right now for Google, I have convinced myself that anything is possible as long as you have the right mindset and the right motivation. Even if you are in a difficult or a chanceless situation, Further, I also really would like to stress the importance of the right mindset or the right motivation for developing applications. I really believe that we should always have the user in mind. Whatever we do, whether it is developing a new idea or implementing a new idea, we should continuously ask ourselves, how would this make the life of the user easier, happier, or better, etc. If we keep the user in our mind and we focus on the user, then our products will become of the quality that a user would appreciate.
طيب السؤال الأخير لإبراهيم، رسالة توجهها لأنفكاست الشرق الأوسط، وما رأيك بالشبكة؟
نعم. I'm really very pleased to have discovered and heard about Envcasts. I was at a developer event in Palestine, and the purpose of me attending this event and investing my time and energy there was to spread the knowledge and to spread the knowledge of web development and application development, and also to inspire people to use the latest technologies. And I was positively surprised to find people in this region that are not only like-minded, but that are already starting initiatives to do exactly the same thing. I believe that initiatives such as Envcasts are the engines that we need to propagate the development in the Middle East. I've seen some very talented people that really not only impressed me but actually even inspired me, and I am even more happy to see those same people to share what they know and to share what they've learned with the other people around them. And again, coming back to my earlier point, I believe that it's our responsibility to learn and to teach ourselves via whatever is available on the web, such as tutorials, and people like Envcasts that create those tutorials, whether it is a documentation or a video tutorial, give a really huge contribution to bringing us developers to the next level. So I very much stimulate these efforts, and that's why I find it really an honor to be here a guest on Envcasts, and I really hope that this will inspire more people to learn more, but also to share what they've learned with their direct surroundings. And I think that this model will work very strongly, not only because of the knowledge that's shared, but also because there is some sort of role model aspect involved here. The founder of Envcasts is a simple person from this region who has via practice become a very good developer, and by putting these websites online and video tutorials, hopefully, or actually I'm very sure and convinced that other people from the region will recognize themselves in him and will believe that they can also achieve the same thing. So we have here, inshallah, a very strong role model implementation, and I think we should all encourage ourselves and the people around us to do the same thing. And the first thing that we can do is to tell more people about Envcasts and to also contribute with what we have learned, whether it's a new technology or a new application that we have created, to share it and to give it to others as well.
إبراهيم بوخارس من جوجل، شكرا لك.
جزاك الله.